Welcome back, traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple, and today we're going to go over, choosing a couple trade ideas and getting into a trade. So let's get to it. If you're liking this type of content, please like, subscribe, and share. Really do appreciate you helping me grow my channel. Now, the first thing we're going to do is when we go into our Discord, and you probably have some tools at your disposal, we give out to our members the Tradie Ticks algo flow, which also comes with 3 Tradie Tick alert bots, breakouts, as well as strat alerts and AI prediction. And so the Bullseye bot is an AI prediction tool, and it basically is, getting data from all the order flow that's coming in and identifying volume, open interest, how much money is going into this stock at a specific time, and then generates this trade idea. Now, it says that it expects it to pan out within 1 to 2 days, but you should know that if you do some research on Trading Ticks, they often tell you to get an option that's a week or two, even longer, so that it has time to work itself out. So with that being said, took the 97 strike price, went over to the trade tab, and then created a butterfly. And basically, the 97 is the strike, and took a $3 wide. So it was 97. We sold 2 97s. We bought a 94 and bought a 100. And so bought 1 call at 94, sold 2 at 97, bought 1 at 100, and that made our butterfly. We did these trades this morning at around 7:30. If you don't know, IV, no problem with IV or expensive option, because you're selling those 2 in the middle. It actually works really well with an IV crush, like for CPI data and all that, all the other type of news events or earnings that happen often. So in any event, this is where we are. So this basically is a bullish butterfly, because we're creating, right? We created it when we were around right here at 93. It's moved up ever since. So now we're at 94, and we really want time and direction. That's a butterfly, right? Time and direction. So we saw what the strike price was that the AI machine driven tool was identifying, which was 97. We took that as our mid strike, and then just created a $3 wide butterfly. You can make it wider, you can make it smaller, and I believe that we paid 59 cents for this trade per contract, 59. And let me just take a look real quick to see what the reward. So we're risking, just to give you a sense of how a butterfly works, because we're buying a call, we're selling 2, and then we're buying a call here, and that creates this. And the total risk involved in this trade was 60 cents. So 60 cents to make up to 240. So 60 cents to make $2.40. So it's $60 per contract to make approximately 240 at max reward level, right? So we just want to be able to identify the chart, see if it's going in our direction, pay attention to the chart analysis and what the market is doing with data, news data that's coming out every day, and then making a decision if we should take our profits and run or cut our losses, etc. So you could see that there's not a lot of risk that go into these trades, and so not a huge punishment if it doesn't work out. And of course, you can always set a risk limit to say, hey, look, I'm willing to give, as an example, 30 cents on this trade to see if it starts working out in our favor. So by the time it closed today, we put this on at 7:30. We're up 11% on Google. The next one I wanted to show you was this one, Microsoft. So Microsoft's been running like a racehorse, hasn't it? It is, really helping the market out. And saw this and was like, wow, 821,000 premium spent on this. And so we have a strike price of 265. Again, going over here and then taking a look at our positions. So we went ahead and created a put butterfly on this one. So we have a call butterfly on the other one because we put the We put that butterfly, created that butterfly, um, ahead. And then this one, we're saying, hey, we think it needs to pull back a little bit. Took a look at the chart, see that it was running. It's been up against resistance for a while. And so we thought, all right, we'll go ahead and put a put spread here at 265. And I believe here we did a $5 wide spread. And this spread, yeah, we did a 270, 265, and a 260. So you're always, looking at that mid as your target, right? Wherever the middle is. And then we're looking at time and direction. And as long as we're going in our direction and time is passing, which is that purple line that's rising, then we're actually making money off the two calls, two puts here that we sold. So this is great for theta, no problem for theta whatsoever. And then, if we start to consolidate for a while and it takes time to move itself down because the market doesn't race all the time. But if that happens, then great, we'll end up profiting more. So right at the end of the day, we got a little flush down, and these butterflies are in profit 53%. So here's a trade in my mind that I was thinking was going to be in profit, within a week and a half. And our first day, we're in a 53% profit. Not bad. We spent, let's see, on this butterfly, we spent 59 cents to get into, and the reward is up to $4.41. Think about that for a moment. You're risking $60 to make up to $441 per contract. Just something to take into consideration as you're looking to get into these trades. The other thing too is you leg into these trades just like you would anything else. You can put your toe in the water, feel it out, see if it's going in your direction, and then add to it, and or create different types of trades around it, right? So nothing is binary in the market. It's always good to know different strategies for different market environments. It helps you to basically have more tools in your toolbox to be able to use for different circumstances. So I hope this information helps you not only on how to utilize maybe some market-driven data that you may have available, like option flow data, and then taking that and using that as a trade idea. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about different strategies or different tools that you could utilize while trading, give us a holler. Our contact is in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video.